Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she phoned for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with a silly goofy hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he said, Miss Polly, no more jumping on the bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. Monkey, don't jump!
半斤八两在树上呢。我来的比较早，一开门就进来了，现在还没有什么人，而且下雨天人也比较少。刚才在下面看到张中中、张凯一家都没有出来，在里面睡觉呢。看现在人好少，都没有人呢。这边看猫真的太爽了。这两个小姐妹白天看起来还是不太熟，晚上的时候就抱在一起睡觉。